Now protected access specifier. So the the feature of protected access specifier and private access specifier is almost same. The only difference is protected members can be inherited, whereas private members cannot be inherited. Let us discuss one by one. Protected members are accessed only from member functions and friend function, as like private access specifier, isn't it? Protected members cannot be accessed outside the class. This is also same for private access specifier. And third point is they can be inherited. Protected members can be inherited, whereas private members cannot be inherited. So these 2 points are same for both private and protected access specifier. The only difference is inheritability, whether private members are inherited or not. They are not inherited. They cannot be inherited, and protected members can be inherited. Let us see the example. See, in this example, I have taken the same example I have taken here so that you can understand easily what changes you need to make here. See here, class book. In the protected section, I have taken book ID as a data member, and in public section, member function operation. So as per the rule, protected members are accessed through member functions, only member functions and friend functions. In this example, I am going to explain only member function, and it cannot be accessed from the non-member function. See, enter book ID, BID, so that we have displayed from this function only. We cannot access BID here because main is a non-member function. So we have to take object in order to call operation. Operation is a function. We have to call function, then only it executes this statement. In order to call function, we have to use object. So we have created object here, b dot operation. So this function will execute, and from this function I am going to display the content also. I did not use book ID here because it is in a protected section. So this program explains a protected member is accessed only through the member function, not from the non-member function. Okay, let us summarize all access specifiers. Private, public and protected. See, these members are accessed from where? From where we can access, from where we cannot access, whether it is inheritability or whether it is inherited or not. So let us consider the first point. These 3 points you need to remember for all access specifiers. From where you can access, from where you cannot access, whether it is inherited or not. Private member, from accessed from. So private members accessed from member functions and non-member functions. So private data can be accessed from member function and non-member function. Member function and friend function. Public data accessed from member function, non-member function and also friend function. Private data, it cannot be accessed from non-member function. So in the first point, from who can access, that point only I am discussing here. In public section, public members or public data accessed from, public data is accessed from member function, non-member function and friend function. All functions can access public data. There is no restriction on public data. Protected members same as private. Protected members accessed from member function and friend function. Okay. Then second point, cannot access from. Who cannot access this data? A non-member function cannot access private data. Non-member function can't access. In the second point, what we are writing, from where we cannot access. From non-member function, we cannot access private data. Here, no point here, because public members are accessed from all functions, member function, non-member function and friend function. And protected, here also non-member function. These 2 points are same for public, protected and private. And last point is inheritability, whether these members are inherited or not. Private members cannot be inherited. Public members can be inherited and protected members can be inherited. So only this point is different for private and public protected access specifier. I hope you understood these concepts.